Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. João here. So here we are going to start a tutorial about Python Flet. Okay, so Python Flet is a framework that allows us to create a web app, mobile app, even desktop app by using Python. Okay, so Flet is kind of, I will not say new, okay, but because I think I've been, I think maybe for 3 or 4 years, I don't know if I am wrong or not, but it's kind of new. Okay, it's a new framework for Python. So for those who want to create a mobile app by using Python, okay, so nowadays Flex is the best option because every day is improving, is changing, and there is a lot of people also working on Flat. Okay, so or I can say the guy who's working on Flat, so he's doing a really good job. Okay, so right now there are a lot of stuffs that you can do with Flat. Okay, so that's why I came here. Okay, now we are going to learn about Flat. So I will keep also link for, if you want to learn more about Flet, okay, you can go to their website and you can read about what Flet really is. Okay, like deep reading. Okay, but here I can tell you just, okay, Flet is a really good framework that we can use to create a mobile app, even desktop app, and web app also by using Python. Okay, so it will say that it was inspired by Flutter. Okay, Flutter itself. Okay, and Flet, okay, there are good really apps that people are creating, okay, by using Flat, since it has like a modern applications, okay, looking. So here in this tutorial also we learn the basics, how we can use Flat, how can we can create like a UI, graphical interface, okay, by using Flat. And also we'll create some projects by using Flat. Okay, so those projects, they are good to you to understand properly how Flat works. Okay, so one of the first project that we are going to create will be this one. Okay, this BMI calculator, which is very simple app. Okay, you, for example, you can enter here your weight. Okay, for example, I will say like okay, 178, no 78 for example, and if your height is like 1.8, okay, if I create calculate, so it can give me your answer. For example, your BMI, okay, like 24.07, that means you have a normal weight. Okay, so apart of this, the another app that we are going to create will be this. So we will create also a calculator, because we know that creating calculator is a very good way to you to understand deep down even any new programming language. Okay, even for example, this is a new framework, so that's why creating a calculator will be a good thing for us. Okay, so this is a calculator with that we are going to create. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, arithmetic calculator. Okay, for example, 7 divided by 9. Okay, if I click equal, it's going to give us a result. I can delete also. So this will be the second project that we will create, okay, here in this tutorial. And another good, very good app that we are going to create also here in this tutorial will be this one. So will be this guy. Okay, so this is a digital clock. Okay, for example, right now it's showing the current time of my machine, as we can see. Okay, today is Tuesday. Okay, 04 March 2024. Okay, so for example, here if I enter any city, let me see, right now I am in Namibia. Okay, Windhoek. For example, if I enter Luanda, because I am from Angola, okay, Luanda is our capital. If I click Luanda, if I click update, okay, then it's going to show me the weather in Luanda. For example, right now is 26.49 degrees. Okay, Celsius. Okay, something like that. Okay, overcast cloud. For example, I can enter any city. Okay, for example, Bangalore. I say Bangalore because I studied there. That's why I love this city too much. Even Bangalore. Oh, it's looking like Luanda itself. Okay, let me try another city. Maybe Cape Town. Cape Town. I think this is how to write. If I click update, city not found. Okay, I think I wrote it wrong. If I give space, let me see. Cape Town. Search. Okay, yeah, we got Cape Town now. Is 19. Okay, Celsius, clear sky. So this is what we are going to build. Okay, for this especially this one. Okay, this app is really good. Okay, because we'll connect from some APIs and get those information, and we'll learn also a lot of good stuff by doing this. Okay, so in this video, the first thing that we are going to do, okay, we're just going to set up our environment so that we can use Flat here. So for that, okay, I'm going to create one simple script. Okay, I'm going to create, for example, something like main.py. Okay, here, okay, I'm going to open my terminal so that I can install Flat here. Okay, I'm just going to do something like that. Okay, pip install Flat. So this is how you can install Flat in your machine. Okay, but we know that when we are creating something new in Python, okay, it's very good for us to create a new environment. Okay, so that we can do everything under that environment. So the same thing we are going to do here. Okay, so for that, I'm going to create first a virtual environment. So for that, I'm going to use pipenv. Okay, if you don't have pipenv installed on your machine, you can do something like that. Okay, pip install. Okay, sorry, pip install. Sorry again, pip install pipenv, something like this. Okay, I like to use pipenv so that I can quickly create a virtual environment. So you just do something like pip install pipenv, okay, and hit enter. It will install pipenv. Okay, and after that, in order to create a virtual environment and to activate, also you can enter this command. Okay, pipenv this way. Okay, pipenv shell. So this command, the thing that it does is it will create a new virtual environment and also will activate this virtual environment. Okay, if I click enter, boom, I'm just going to wait for it to install it, or to create, sorry, not install, to create a new environment so that I can go on. So after the creation of our virtual environment, as you can see, okay, it create a new virtual environment, and the same way it activate the virtual environment. Okay, so now just let me clear this thing. Okay, clear. So I'm going to install now Flet. So in order to install Flet, you just do something like pip install, okay, Flet, pip install Flet, something like that, then hit enter. Now I'm just going to wait for it to install Flet. So this way is going to install the most recently Flet version, okay, in our machine. So in our virtual environment, as you can see now, it is installing Flet. Let's wait for a while. And boom, good. Okay, now we are good to go with Flet. As you can see, successfully installed. It installed also a lot of stuff, so now we are good to start our tutorial. Okay, so guys, we'll stay here. In the next video, we are going to create our first UI by using Python Flet. Okay, my name is João. Please subscribe to the channel, give a like to this video, and see you.